Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Here I have a list of some of my favorite English words, and in this video I want to show you how to convert this unordered list into a numbered list using Vim macros and variables. Vim macros allow us to record our actions and re-execute them automatically later on. And we are going to start by creating a variable. Let's call it a. So let a equals 1. We can access the value of this variable by doing an echo a. It shows 1. And now we're going to start recording the macro. So we press Q and then a letter or a number. So let's pick Q. So now it says recording at Q. It's recording the macro, so it's going to record every letter we press. So I go to the start of the line with 0, then CIW to change inner word. And now I need to access the value of A. So I can do so with Ctrl R equals E, enter. It inserts the value of 1. Then I add a dot. I want to make the next character uppercase, so I do that with D, capital Q, after selecting it. And I need to increment the value of A, so we can go like colon, let A plus equals 1. Like this, enter. And that's it. I'm going to stop recording the macro with Q. Then I go to the next line and I can execute the macro with at Q. And it automatically inserts the number 2. I can do the same with at to re-execute the last macro. We can also run a macro multiple times at once by indicating a count. Let's do it 20 times. So 20 at, and it runs the macro 20 times, but all in the same line. To go to the next line, we need to move to the next line as part of the macro. We could rewrite the macro and override it, or we could also append to it by using the register capital Q. So capital Q is gonna append to register Q. We hit Q, capital Q. Now we are recording at capital Q, and we press J to go to the next line, then Q to quit and stop recording that macro. And now we can echo the value of A. It's 24, so let's set it to 4. And now we can run the macro again, like this. Let's try again, 20 at Q, and that's what we want. We can achieve the same result without using macros by using Vim's visual block mode. Let me show you how. First, we need to undo all this, and then we go into visual block mode with Ctrl V, then capital G to go to the end of the file, C to change the visually selected content, and now let's add a 0 in here. Then we can use Ctrl A to increment the numbers by 1. Let me select everything, then Ctrl A, and this is gonna increment every number by 1, but that's not exactly what we want because we want the numbers to auto increment. We can achieve this with G, Ctrl A, like this. And now, just for it to look a little bit better, let me add a 0 at the beginning of the first numbers, like this. And let's make the first letter of each word uppercase. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new in this video, and see you in the next one.